Are you brimming with entrepreneurial spirit, ready to launch your dream business? Fantastic! But then reality hits. The dreaded paperwork. Don't let legal lingo and endless forms slow you down. Today, we're demystifying the essential documents you need to form a company, simplifying the process so you can focus on what you love, building your empire. Let's get into it, shall we? Hello there, my name is Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make forming your company as easy as a bee producing honey. First things first, structure matters. Are you a lone wolf rocking it solo, a dynamic duo conquering the market, or a power team of 3 or more? Knowing your business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC or corporation impacts the documents you'll need. Think of it as a foundation of your legal house. Now, if you're unsure of which structure you need, we have a handy video guide here. So go and watch that, and then once you've decided which structure you want, we can explore the key documents. Sole trader. Registering for self-assessment ensures the taxman knows you're in business. Think of it as getting on the good side from the start. You can easily register online by filling in all the appropriate forms, and that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Either file your tax return each year yourself or get an accountant to do it. If you can't decide which option to choose, check out this video here that goes over the advantages and disadvantages of both. Partnership. You'll need a partnership agreement. This lays out the ground rules like profit sharing and decision making, keeping your entrepreneurial bromance or bond smooth sailing. Limited company. Here's where things get a little bit more involved. You'll need a memorandum of association, which is essentially your company's goals, and articles of association, which is a bit like internal rules. They're like your company's constitution and operating manual rolled into one. You can find a video here talking about your articles of association in detail and what you may need, but in short, you have the ability to use a standard templated articles of association to make things simple if you wish. Business bank account. Keeping personal and business finances separate is key. Your limited company needs its own bank account to stay compliant. The great news is, with every package from yourcompanyformations.co.uk, we help you set up a business bank account, and you can even get cash back for using the services. Company number. This unique identifier is your official stamp of existence in the business world. Register with Companies House to obtain it. Corporation tax. Don't forget about your tax obligations. As a limited company, you'll need to register for corporation tax. Remember, this is just a roadmap, not the final destination. Specific regulations and additional permits or licenses might apply depending on your industry and location. Consulting a legal professional, Companies House, or one of our friendly team here at Your Company Formations would always be a great idea. By understanding these essential documents and seeking guidance when needed, you'll be able to navigate the paperwork maze like a pro. Now go forth and unleash your brilliant business idea onto the world. And just in case you just want to submit a few ID documents and then sit back and relax while we do all the heavy lifting for you, check out our packages page on our website, yourcompanyformations.co.uk. You can find all the contact details in the description of the video, along with our socials, just in case you want to follow us and see what we're up to. Thanks for watching.